In this video, we are going to understand about database design of this project. Okay, what's the project? Already in the first video, I have explained about the project. Okay, the project is what? University Placements Portal, and this is the abstract. Already I have explained in the first video only. Okay, so you go through that particular thing. This project contains mainly three modules. One is University Administrator module, and Companies module, and Student module. Okay, the administrator will add the student details, and he will see which are the companies that registered in the website, as well as he will see the students who got placed in the companies. Okay, and companies will register in this website, and the companies will post their job postings, means the vacancies information they are going to post in this particular website. And okay, they can also send the emails for the students who got selected in the companies. Okay, then student will log in into this particular website, and he will search the job posting information, the vacancies in different companies. He will search and he will apply for the jobs. Okay, so that is what the done by the student. Therefore, for these three modules, now we are going to create the tables. Okay, that now what I am going to explain. So the database that we are going to create in what? MySQL, and database name is what? University Placements DB. So in this particular University Placement DB, the tables that we are going to create is, first of all, administrator, that is admin. In this admin, there are only two columns are present. In this admin table, there are two columns present. One is username and password. With the help of this username password, administrator will log in into the website, and he will manage the information about the student and companies. Okay, then student. So the student information will be added into this website by the administrator, and the student information is like student name, full name, address, branch, semester, mobile, email, student picture, and what? The password. So this information will be added into the database. Okay, and this data will be added by the administrator in the website. Okay, then after academics. Now students, what they do here, it is the administrator will give the password to the student, and the student with the student ID. Okay, student ID and password, the student will log in into the website, and he will add the academic information, like see, this is the auto increment column, please. Academic ID is the primary key, and auto increment, automatically it will increment the its value. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, this like this it is going to add the value in this particular column. Okay, then student ID. Okay, student ID will be stored here. Student ID means this student information, it represents this student information of the student table. Okay, so student ID will be added, and what is his course name, means his 10th, intermediate, graduation. Okay, that course name he will give, and in which academic year he completed his course, and what's the percentage or GPA he got in that particular course, and the certificate of the course he will be uploading. Like this, academic details will be added by the student after login. Okay, next, companies. Companies will register by giving all this particular information, like, okay, what's the company logo, company name, okay, location, mobile, okay, email, company level of the company, level 5, level 3 company, level 4 company, like this, URL of the website of their company, then username, password, and register date. Okay, so this information will be added by the companies by registering. So they register in the website by adding all these details. Okay, after registration, with the help of this particular username and password, companies will log in into the website. After login into the website, they will be adding the job postings, means whatever the vacancies present in their company, regarding that information they will be posted. Okay, like company ID. Okay, which company, this particular company. Okay, the company ID, and next one is job title, job description, location, salary package, eligibility description. Okay, interview location, interview date and time. This information will be posted. Okay, now what happens is, now the students after login, they will search for these job postings. Okay, they will search for this job posting, and based upon the eligibility criteria. Okay, eligibility criteria, what the student do is, the student will apply for the job. That apply information will be stored in the applications table. So here, apply date and time. Okay, application ID is the primary key and auto increment. Okay, primary key and auto increment column. This is apply date, and next one is job ID, for which job ID he is applying for the job. Okay, the job ID. Then student, which student is applying, and the application status. Okay, whether it is rejected, whether it is accepted, or whether it is what in progress, like this, the application status will be shown to the student, okay, by the companies based upon this particular application. Okay, then after application processing completed, the companies will conduct the interviews and they will be posting the information regarding placements. So finally, the companies will post the placements information in this particular website, like the student ID and the job ID, and they will be giving offer letter. Offer letter means they have selected, okay, that is place, date and time also they will be storing. Okay, this is the final placements table. Okay, so these are the tables that are used in this particular project to develop this particular website in Java JSP. Okay, so let me show you how to create this particular database. Okay, so as already I've shown in the previous video how to install the XAMPP server. So you open the XAMPP, XAMPP. Okay, open the XAMPP. Okay, XAMPP here, run as administrator. Click on the run as administrator. Okay, already it is open. Please, here the XAMPP is open. Once the XAMPP is open, generally what you'll have here start buttons here, please. Okay, you just click on the start button here. Then after you click on, after some time you click on the start button here. Okay, then after, see this Apache will be started, then MySQL will be started. Once it is started, now MySQL you open here. You click on the admin. When you click on the admin, you will be getting this particular window. Okay, this particular website you are going to get in the browser. So these are the previous databases. Now I am going to show you how to create a database. See, you click on the new here. Okay, new, to create a database. So which database I want to create, please? So let me show you. The database name is University, okay, Placements DB, University Placements DB. Okay, this copy, don't give extra spaces here. Okay, here I paste it and click on create. See, the database is created. See, at the bottom you can see, please, this is the database created because it is university. Okay, U means last year. So click on this particular database so that you will get the database. So what are the tables that you want to create? Once you click on the database here, once you click on the database name, it will ask you to create a table. Okay, but what I do generally here, it is I go to here SQL. Here I create the table by using SQL queries, please. Okay, so the queries is like this. So I copy paste this particular create table queries here, paste it and go down and click on the go button. So once you click on the go button, the table is created. You see that the table is created here, admin. Okay, right. Next table that I am going to create here, it is student table. So like this I am going to create the student table. Again click here. Okay, and here I paste it, Control V, go down, go. Okay, so like this again click on SQL. Similarly, if all queries, all tables, if you want to create at once, what you do is copy paste here. Similarly, next table, okay, copy paste here. Okay, one after the other. So here I am going to copy paste once again. Here I paste here. Once again I go here. Okay, here copy paste this table also. And finally the last table that I am going to copy paste. But there should not be any mistakes in the tables, please. Okay, then finally I can say out go. Now all tables are created once. See, all the tables are created here. Okay, if you want to see, you click on the database name so that you will see this particular thing. Okay, all the tables created. So I go to the admin table, click on the admin table here, please. In the admin table, what we do is we insert one row, insert, okay, insert the row. So because administrator should not register in that website, okay, administrator should have already username and password. Therefore, admin I am giving, password is 12345. Okay, easy I am giving. Okay, admin and 12345, go. So one record is added and I go to the browse. So admin table, you see that the admin table, see in this particular database, in this particular table, there is a row present here. Admin is a username, password is 12345. So this username and password we are going to use in the website for login. Okay. So this is how can we create the database, please. Okay. So this is what we have completed, how to create the database and how to create the tables in what MySQL DB. So in the next video, we are going to develop the website.